Hello. In this video, we are going to see how to import product combinations using the Easy Import-Export module for PrestaShop. We will import combinations such as different sizes and colors, and import their references, prices, quantities, images, and other combination-specific data. Before importing combinations, the parent products must already exist in your store. So we need two import rules, one for importing products and the other for importing combinations. Combinations are linked to their parent products using an identifier such as product reference or another supported field. We have seen how to import products in the previous video in more detail. In my demo CSV file, I have two products for which I will import combinations later. I am going to import products quickly first, and then I will import their combinations. I will upload my products import file and make mapping and import. Now products import is finished, and we are ready to start with combinations. Let's first look at the combinations import file. Each row represents one individual combination. In this example, the file contains the parent product reference, a unique combination reference, attribute names, attribute values, quantity, price impact, images, and the default combination setting. For example, this product has two attributes, size and color. The attribute names are separated using the multiple value separator, and the corresponding values are entered in the same order. So size and color are matched with values such as small and white or medium and black. Other products can use only one attribute, such as dimension. The module can also create missing attribute groups and attribute values automatically during the import. Now let's configure the import rule. From the module page, click New Import and select Import Combinations. This opens the import settings. I'll give the rule a clear name such as Demo Combination Import. Next, select the source of the file. You can upload it from your computer, use a URL or server path, or retrieve it through FTP or SFTP. For this demo, I'll upload the sample CSV file. Here we must choose how the module will find the parent products. I'll select Reference because the file contains the parent product reference. We can also choose how existing combinations should be identified when the rule runs again. I'll use Combination Reference because every combination in the file has its own unique reference. This allows the same rule to create new combinations and update existing ones later. The file uses a vertical bar to separate multiple attribute names and values. So I'll make sure the multiple value separator is set correctly. I'll keep the options enabled to create new combinations and update existing ones. I'll click Save and Next. We are now on the mapping step. This is where we connect each column from the file to the correct combination field. First, I'll map product reference to the field used to find the parent product. This is essential because the module needs to know which product each combination belongs to. Next, I'll map combination reference. This uniquely identifies each individual combination and allows it to be updated during future imports. Now, I'll map attribute names and attribute values. In this file, multiple attributes are stored together in one column. For example, size and color correspond to small and white. You can also use separate attribute name and attribute value columns. When that structure is more suitable for your file, then you would map those columns with attribute name and attribute value fields. Next, I'll map the remaining combination data such as quantity, price impact, image, minimal quantity, and the default combination field. The price impact is the amount added to the parent product price. For example, a value of 4 means this combination costs $4 more than the product's base price. The default field determines which combination will be selected initially on the product page. Only one combination per product should normally be marked as the default. The required fields are now mapped. Now, we can start the import. The module is now reading the file and processing each combination. It will find the parent products, create any missing attributes and values, and then create or update the corresponding combinations. The import has finished successfully. Let's check the results. Here we can see the combinations created from the file. The size and color values have been added correctly, and each combination has its own reference, quantity, price impact, image, and default status. On the product page, customers can now select the available attributes, and PrestaShop updates the price, image, and availability according to the selected combination. That's how you can import product combinations with the Easy Import-Export module. The important points are simple. Create or import the parent products first. Use a reliable product identifier to link each row to its parent product. Give every combination its attribute names and values. And use a unique combination identifier if you want future imports to update the same combinations. The import rule can also be reused or automated with CRON to keep combination prices, quantities, and other data synchronized with your supplier file. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.